Hi everyone, welcome back to another AutoCAD tutorial. In this session, we are going to construct a hyperbola using the focus directrix method and then draw the tangent and normal at a given point on the curve. Okay, so to construct an hyperbola, I am going to change in our problem. Same construct ed. Here I am going to change 3 construct not parabola. It is hyperbola. uh, it is capital, so hyperbola when the distance between focal directrix and the eccentricity is not 1 4 by 3. It is 4 by 3. Draw the tangent and normal at a point on the p on the curve by using the directrix. So for this I am going to change little changes on this diagram. First of all, I am going to remove this middle point. Okay, I can erase everything. I need not. I am going to construct again. Okay, I am going to construct again. No issue. Okay, I am going to remove these points also. Now these points you just put same. Okay. Now I would like to locate the V point. Move from this point to this point. Means the distance of the moving point from the focus, first part, second part, third part, fourth part, and from the directrix. This is directrix, first part, second part, third part. So now I am going to draw a line from this one and again draw a circle from this point to this point. Trim this circle. Okay, I'm going to move this one. It is anything is there. For that I'm going to move like this. Remove this one. So again draw a line like this from, you can, before going to that, this can erase. Draw a line from C2 from this point for hyperbola. If you have any doubt, just draw another line, extend this line and remove this line. No issue. Take your time and move like this. Here change your text is not a parabola, hyperbola. Caps HYP hyperbola. Remaining are same. Okay. Now draw a line. Okay, I would like to move these 2 points to here. This point to move here. You can have a points. You can have a points like this. Draw a line. For example, if you have no points, O offset 10. Suppose if you want to move, then O offset 5. If you want more points, you can draw a line from this point. Anywhere you can remove it. Draw anywhere on your drawing. No issue. Extend. You can trim it. Trim. Trim. You can extend it and you can trim by using the shift. You can extend it. Okay. Enter. So now what we will do is copy CO here. Yeah, you can also draw a line from this point. You can also draw a line from this point. You can also draw a line from this point. I can trim it. Okay. Next, copy CO from this point to this point. You can give this point, Okay, copy CO, enter this point, select base point from this point, no need to from F, 4 5 like this. You can somewhere. Okay, already from this point to this point you can similar points. So copy from this point to this point to this point to this point, ed, you can give name 7, again ed, you can give name 8, here you can give name 8 dash, you can give 7 dash, here you can give 6 dash, you can give 5 dash, you can give 4 dash, you can give 3 dash, 3 dash, 2 dash, 1 dash. Okay, what we will do is very simple. As I explained in the parabola, with the same procedure, draw a circle from 1 to 1 1 dash, move the circle from here to focus where it is touches, click, create a point and remove the circle. Same circle from point 2 to 2 2 dash, move the circle from here to here, create a point from this point to this point, delete circle, create a circle from 3 to 3 to, move this point to this point, create a point, again create a circle. This is one point, you can create a point here from the focus. If you take a circle, you will get the same intersection point. So from circle 4 to 4 dash, you can edit this one, 4 dash, move the circle from 4 to F, identify the intersection point, locate the point and remove the circle. Again circle 5 to 5 dash, move the circle from 5 to F, find out the point PO here, you can delete it. In the end examination, according to the time, you will create 2 to 3 points more than enough. No issue. Circle 6 to 6 dash, move the circle from okay, and again trim. I mean sorry, point PO. Locate on this and again delete the circle. C enter. Okay, move this point here. Now you can identify the point. PO enter. Remove this circle. If you want 8 8, even though you can do the same procedure. Mark 8 8 radius. FS enter. Identify the point. You can identify the point, remove the circle, Z enter, re enter. Okay, re, as I told you, re. You can mirror all the locus points. What are the locus point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, enter. This is my mirror line. No. Now I would like to draw a spline, SPL spline to pass smooth curve. REE, yes, mirror missed. Again, I am going to draw mirror. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. SPL spline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. We this point to this point and this point. Okay, unfortunately that was located at somewhere. Yeah, I'm unable to forget the point mirror from this point to this point. No, move this one to move. Okay, here the one mistake is here, here, here the mistake is, yeah, No mistake. Okay, no mistake. So this is hyperbola. Remaining are same, and now I am going to draw a tangent and normal. So I am going to draw tangent either side, no issue. I am going to draw a tangent here in this point here, this point PO. Create here my point is, so join line from this point to F. Now draw a line for this one, perpendicular line for this one. This is trim. If you want to check dim angle from this to this 90 degrees. Okay. Now I'm going to trim this one. And we'll draw a line from this point. Okay. Yeah. Something like that. Trim from draw a line from this point. Okay. This point. Extend. I'm not supposed to get extension. Draw somewhere some line. Yes. Okay. See, tangent, I'm going to draw normal perpendicular line. So that I'm going to move this point here. This point. Okay. You can look at it. C1. This point name. This point is C. This point is Q. Okay. C1. This point is R. And this point, I will change it. This point is R. This point is M. This point is M. Okay. Remaining is similar. Nothing to change. So with this, I am going to close this session. In next session, I will explain cycloid. Okay.